Hi, I just want to demonstrate my problem with this camera, in particular with the flash functionality when you have exposure simulation enabled and you're using a modeling light, as you can see it in here in the background. So, as you can see, this is my basic setup. I have a gin bottle in the background which I just want to photograph. I enabled the modeling light and just want to take a picture of it. So exposure simulation is enabled, and it shouldn't affect anything if I just do a test fire shot of my flash unit. So you see the display is not dimming. This is how I think it should react in general. So now if I just half press my shutter button, you just can see the display is brightening up and you can see everything a little bit more clearly. And I usually don't really want that to happen. Maybe there are certain circumstances where I would like this to happen, but not right now. And it also takes 4 seconds to go back to the settings I had before. I just have pretty much standard settings on, so my shutter button is also activating autofocus. This doesn't matter if you put it on autofocus or manual focus. I'm going to demonstrate it just shortly. And you also see the histogram is going gray, more or less, signaling that it's not registering the right colors right now. Alright, so if we're going to take a test shot, everything is brightening up, and as you can see here, the whole display is getting bright, which I really don't want to happen. So this is the end result. This is more or less exactly what you can see here. I just gonna switch it back in a moment. So this is my test shot, and this is the exposure I'm getting from the viewfinder, what I would have liked to have the whole time. So I'm just going to demonstrate the whole thing now again without the flash unit, just turning it off. And now nothing is happening when I have pressed the shutter. Now I can also take a photo, and it more or less looks the same way as I really would like to have it. So this was just a quick demonstration of my problem with this camera, especially with the flash unit. In my opinion, it's more or less an effect of metering, because if you really would like to meter something, yeah, it just starts the metering, which I probably don't really need to have, especially when I'm on autofocus, on manual mode. So just a quick demonstration. I have autofocus on, now it's switched off, and the same thing happens right now. And one quick other demonstration, just going to manual custom functions, customizing my bottom, and as you can see here, you always have metering in it. And I can also just put it somewhere else without AF, and AF is not affecting anything because I don't start AF right now, and the same thing is happening again. So thank you very much. See you soon.